Hi everyone, and welcome to week 12 of 405 and 505. I just wanted to do a quick overview video similar to last week, just to check in and go over what we will be talking about this week and any assignments that need to be updated. So this week we will be focusing on the nature and needs of children with special healthcare needs, children with orthopedic and neurological impairments, children with hearing impairments, and children with visual impairments. We will continue to focus on ways to support the learning and development of children with these specific disabilities and developmental delays in the natural learning environment, and we'll do this by planning for ELOs, UDL, and MTSS. You can see your learning objectives here. As always, please refer to your weekly checklist for any assignments and activities that you are responsible for this week. The review from week 9, when we first introduced ELOs, UDL, and MTSS with examples relating to your participation activities, is included for you again this week. I hope that all of you, or most of you, were able to attend the online session with Dr. Kugel, and I hope that you found that helpful. I have updated the settings on Blackboard so that you are allowed multiple submissions for your participation activities. So if any of you would like to resubmit activities or are needing to submit, that should allow you to submit multiple times now. Your reading and resources for this week. Again, you have 4 chapters because we're focusing on 4 different disability categories or types of disabilities this week. Please refer to your textbook PowerPoints here for information about the nature and characteristics of those disability categories. Again, since you have so many assignments coming up, we are really wanting you to focus on your participation activities and planning on how to support these children in the natural learning environment. So I'm not including a separate lecture or PowerPoint specifically focusing on the nature and characteristics of those disabilities. You can get that information from the textbook and from the textbook PowerPoint. So please take a look at these PowerPoints. The ELO example document is also included here for you, as it has been in previous weeks. If you would like examples of different ELOs and what they can be used for, please refer to this document. I also sent out a course email that you should have received with that document attached. So it's a really helpful document. I still use it myself when I'm thinking about ELOs. Just to guide you along and to make sure that we are using all of the potential ELO practices that we can be to support children with disabilities in the natural learning environment. Your participation activity this week is focused on a case study child with other health impairments. So you will need the other health impairments case study, the foundation blocks document to pick state standards, and the participation activity document that is uploaded for you. As you will see on your checklist and the syllabus, there are the last parts of your professional practice project due this week. So for 405 students, that is part 3 for you, and for 505 students, that is part 4 for you. So I've linked those course links here for you so that you could submit your assignments. Please be careful to submit that to the correct assignment submission, depending on whether you are a 405 student or a 505 student. That is all I have for you this week. Again, I hope you found the live session to be helpful, and if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out. And just remember that we are here to support you during this time, and I hope that each of you are finding ways to stay healthy and safe during this pandemic. All right, have a great week.